How do you organize a space party? You plan it.
The urge to sing The Lion Sleeps Tonight is always just a whim away, a whim away, a whim away, a whim.
Not bad.
What does a chicken do when it's poor? Lay eggs. It strips. ये पढ़ी नहीं और हाँ क्या खा लेना.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Dad Jokes. You guys know the drill by now. Each of us will try to make the other laugh. जो नहीं कर सकेगा वो बैठा रहेगा और जो हंस जाएगा वो चला जाएगा और उसके बाद एक नया बंदा आ जाएगा and the point will be going to the person जो हंसा रहा है. So we'll see how it goes and let's find out.
Okay. You want to go first?
You go first.
I go first?
Yes.
How do you organize a space party? You plan it. Already laughing.
The urge to sing The Lion Sleeps Tonight is always just a whim away, a whim away, a whim away, a whim.
Not bad.
अब हो गया.
Why did the magician start doing striptease?
Why?
He wanted to make his career disappear.
कल रात मेरे घर में एक चोर घुस आया और पैसे ढूंढ रहा था. मैं भी उसके साथ ढूंढना शुरू हो गया.
That's it? Okay.
और कुछ तो जोक था.
Strong crowd. How? No. Why did the blonde sit on the watch?
She wanted to feel a click.
She wanted to be on time.
मुझे लग रहा है तुम बैठी थी घड़ी पे.
I'm not a blonde.
Singing in the shower is all fun and games until you get soap in your mouth. Then it becomes a soap opera.
I've heard this already.
यानी एक ही जगह से उठा रहे हैं हम लोग. आगे.
How does the most hated teacher like their coffee?
How?
Decaf.
ठीक है. मैंने अपने पापा को कहा कि पापा आई हैव अ ड्रीम. उन्होंने आगे से मुझे कहा अच्छा तो अनएम्प्लॉयड होके क्या करोगे.
That was a typical dad joke.
है ना.
Good. How did the student who was failing in a math exam pass their test?
How?
By finding the teacher's ex.
मुस्कुरा.
Bye guys. मैं जाती हूँ.
What does a chicken do when it's poor?
Lay eggs.
It strips.
ये पढ़ी नहीं और.
हाँ क्या खा लेना.
I met a nice girl last night and asked her to call me when she got home. She must be homeless because she never called. अच्छा वहां से खड़े होके बोल रही है यार.
इधर हंसना था ना. How do you tell if the light bulb is screwed?
How?
It turns on. So old. Like you.
Seriously, it's the thing with you. Huh? मेरे अब्बा रात को कमरे में आ गए और कहते हैं पेट्रोल सस्ता हो गया. मैंने कहा तो. कहते हैं आग लगा दूंगा इस फोन को, सो जा.
आगे कुछ आ रहा है? आगे कुछ आ रहा है?
नहीं.
How do you ask a midget to raise its hand?
How?
You ask him to stand up.
How does a musician stay cool? By hanging out with his hands.
Interesting. What's the difference between a globe theater and your boyfriend's penis? No one comes early at the globe.
Why did the golfer bring 2 pairs of pants?
Why?
In case he got a hole in one.
How What does a male cat like?
Like
Hmm.
female cats?
Pussy.
Why is the striptease dancer the easiest to talk to?
Why?
Because they have practice of taking things off their chest.
I won.
Amir Raj.
What's long and hard and full of seamen? A submarine. Seamen.
Good, that was good. Just not good enough to laugh. What do you
Nailed.
call a factory that makes good products? Satisfactory. यार बहुत बुरा था.
नहीं अच्छा था.
असल में ना नेट नहीं जा.
What goes in hard and dry but comes out wet and soft?
Clothes.
What? मैं वैसे यहाँ से निकल जा. A bubble gum. What kind of bees make milk?
What?
Boobies. इस जोक की यानी रेजोनेंस ऐसी है कि कमरे में सारे मर्द पहले से तैयार और खुश बैठे हुए थे.
Only I didn't reply.
What did the elephant say to the naked man?
You have a bigger trunk.
How do you breathe out of that thing? You're having a bad day, aren't you? I'll let you stay. I want to hear one.
It's all shit.
Handicap.
It's all. Literally.
आज rules out of the window है.
आज सब बाहर है. वो पॉइंट आ गए उधर, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ एक हैंडीकैप की आश्रय में बैठा हूँ. बस अंजीर से निकल नहीं रहे.
आज 2 दफा तुम्हें मनाल ने स्ट्राइक आउट किया यार.
Yeah,
That's like,
मतलब like I think अब create choices different करने पड़ेंगे. I think करना पड़ेगा कुछ.
ठीक है जी, जोक लाइए सर. जोक उठाइए.
जो उठ ही नहीं रहा, वो मर गए. अच्छा, मरने से याद है, I had a very close encounter with death, but like I was so close that I had sex with death, but then it ghosted me.
And on that note, guys, this was Gigs and Roses. Bad jokes. And we'll be right back. Don't ghost us. Want to hear a joke about my penis?
Is there one?
Never mind, it's too long.
Oh my god, मतलब like male bravado from a 40-year-old. है भी कि नहीं, ये भी नहीं पता.
40 is the new 7.
That's what I know. Never mind. So so economy काफी bad चल रही है आजकल, और आपको पता है कि like हर चीज पे टैक्सेस आए हैं. मतलब गाड़ी चलाने पे एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स, पेट्रोल पे अलग टैक्स. कल मैं जब इस्लामाबाद से वापस लाहौर आ रहा था, तो कौवा मेरी गाड़ी के नीचे आने लगा था.
कैसे?
चल रहा था. इतना ज्यादा
There's more to it.
but you've laughed so much. But इतना ज्यादा
मैं सुन के
चल रहा
जाना
था कि
चाहूंगा.
like my wife turned to me and went like, ये नॉन फाइलर तो नहीं.
Go.
अच्छा, so खलील रहमान कमर और औरिया मकबूल जान में क्या फर्क है?
क्या?
एक जान के आता है और एक को पता ही नहीं है वो कहाँ है.
That's good. एक शेर ने शेरनी से पूछा, आपका कोई मेरे से पहले बॉयफ्रेंड था? शेरनी ने आगे से क्या कहा होगा?
था.
आपकी ये बात सुनकर मुझे एक शेर याद आ गया. सेम थॉट.
What? ये दोनों का माइनस पॉइंट है. बट खैर, एक चूहा अपने घर से शिकार करने निकला. रास्ते में उसको पता चला कि उसके घर में पीछे से एक बिल्ली आ गई है. ठीक है, तो बिल्ली के पास वो घर गया. उसने देखा कि उसकी बीवी उस बिल्ली के साथ फीफा खेल. और वो बेचारा परेशान हो। इस परेशानी के आलम में जब वो दोबारा शिकार करने निकला, ये जानते हुए कि बिल्ली पीछे अपनी बीवी का फीफा खेल रही है, तो बड़े सुकून में शिकार करने गए। 2 घंटे हो गए, 3 घंटे हो गए, वो शिकार करते, उसको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था, मक्खियाँ
तुझे भी कुछ नहीं मिल रहा ब्रो।
मक्खियाँ भी नहीं थी, चूजे भी नहीं थे, कुछ नहीं था। वो घर आया, पता चला कि बिल्ली ने उसकी बीवी खा ली। वो क्यों? क्योंकि उसने उसके साथ फीफा खेलनी थी।
This is the most prolonged joke in history that is this
I
bad.
have a longer version though. A moth
Go on.
a moth goes to a dentist. The dentist asks,
एक second, Jawad, where is your mic? On that end, guys.
a moth a moth goes to a dentist. The dentist asks, what are you doing here? The moth says, well, it all started when I was born. I have been going through my life, flying from different spaces, trying to find myself, trying to figure out what life holds for me, but I am unable to find anything. And my father and my mother were both very abusive parents. They would beat me every which way, and I was still trying to find myself. So I flew and I flew and I flew, trying to find myself. The doctor asks, but what are you doing here? Well, you know, when I was in 5th grade, the moth continued, my teacher told me that I won't amount to anything. And then that also made me fly a lot. And then the 3rd time the doctor asked, that's all well and good. What are you doing here? The moth says, oh, the lights were on.
Speechless.
This is the ultimate dad joke, by the way. इंटरनेट पे इसके रेडिट पे इतने लाइक्स है ना, आपकी सोच है। ठीक है, इस चवल को हंसना नहीं आता, इसमें मेरा कोई कसूर नहीं है।
I lost interest at the second sentence.
That's what usually people say, but listening is key. खास तौर पे माइक का होना भी बहुत बड़ी की है।
That he forgot.
नहीं, अभी हम 10 मिनट और करेंगे क्योंकि मेरा माइक नहीं था।
I quit. I quit.
हमारे प्रोड्यूसर की बात, you sit.
I will help me out,
I
man.
dare you. अच्छा है, तो gigs and roses. What's the best thing about gigs and roses? You know?
That you can fulfill your career energy somewhere.
No. There's nobody on the other side. It's just us talking. Nobody's watching. So that's the best thing. It's a safe space. It's like therapy for marginally disenfranchised children who nobody loves. And you know the best thing about the owner of Gigs and Roses? He's like the Pied Piper of today. वो बांसुरी नहीं बजाता. वो सिर्फ बच्चे घेरता है और कहता है तू आजा, और बच्चे भी आ जाते हैं। मतलब that's why you're sitting here, but here
बदले.
you know the third best thing about Gigs and Roses?
I don't know.
Do you want to know? That our highest grossing show was when there was a gamla instead of an actor. That's how shit we are. And the fourth best thing about Gigs and Roses.
It's not over.
It won't be over. I need my 10 minutes. The fourth best thing about Gigs and Roses is कि उस गमले की शोहरत के बावजूद he still called 4 people. He still called 4 human beings. 4 गमले रख सकता था, नहीं रखे। बच्चों का इतना शौक है, फिर भी बच्चे बुलाए। And breathe. Thank you guys. That was Gigs and Roses roasting a la dad jokes. I am a comedian.
We had
For fuck's sake, he's a comedian, guys.
Jawad McDonald.
Oh, my head hurts.
And as Ronald McDonald says, I am loving it. I am not loving it. So please follow this channel and follow me wherever you can, because I'm around. Like I have nowhere to be. So yes, that was dad jokes / roast / whatever this is. Alright. Thank you. Bye.
Dad joke की तारीफ में. I'll let you stay.